You stay a few more cycles of breath, fully still, fully present in the moment.
Down slowly.
And a long exhale.
Round spine exhale, activate your powerhouse, inhale.
We are so happy and proud to welcome you, sir, to the International Yoga Day celebration.
Yoga is something that started in India thousands of years ago. It is a mix of the mind, your spirituality, and of exercise.
Feeling that strength through the legs. Push the feet firmly down. Just a bit of free movement, okay?
It's not a religion, it's a culture that has existed in India for thousands of years.
I'm very happy to be here. I think this is a very important event, and I would like to see more Gambians attend next year. And also we celebrate it more and we popularize it so every Gambian knows that today is International Yoga Day and everybody celebrates. Yoga is not only good for Indians, it is good for everybody.